The Igbo language is rich with deep cultural meanings, and one such word that holds significant weight is di. Many people commonly interpret di as simply meaning husband, but in reality, this word carries a much broader and deeper meaning in Igbo tradition and societal structure. So, why don't you stay back and learn something new today? That's all we are on about here on Ebonyi People TV, right? My name is Faith Kalu. In its literal sense, di means master or lord. This is why in the Igbo understanding of family and society, the term diain, which is our master, is used to refer not only to husbands, but also to elder brothers, fathers, and leaders. In Igbo culture, the husband is seen as the master of the home and the leader of his family. However, the word di extends far beyond just marriage. It is used in various contexts to denote mastery, authority, and expertise in different aspects of life. Moving on to the different uses of di in Igbo language, we have diweno, which means master of all, Lord. This term is often used to refer to God as the supreme master of all things. Diain, which means our master. This term can be used to refer to a father, an elder brother, or an elder male figure in the family or community. We have dinta, master of the hunt. In traditional Igbo society, hunting was a crucial skill and a skilled hunter was highly respected. Dinta refers to a person who has mastered the art of hunting. Duru, diuru, master of prosperity. This term is often used to describe a person who brings prosperity, success, or good fortune. At number 5 is Diali, master of the land. This refers to a true son of the soil, someone with full land rights and ownership in a community. Land ownership in Igbo society is deeply tied to identity and heritage. We have Dike, master of strength. This is a title for warriors and strong men in the community. A Dike is a person known for great physical or moral strength and bravery. We have Dimpa, master of importance. This term is used when a young man reaches the age of responsibility, when he is expected to provide for and protect his family. Then there is Dibia, master of divination. A Dibia is a traditional healer or spiritual consultant. At number 9 is Diochi, master of winemaking. In traditional Igbo society, wine tapping was an important craft. A diochi is an expert in harvesting and brewing palm wine. We have Dingba, who is the master of wrestling. Wrestling is a significant cultural sport in Igbo land. A skilled and accomplished wrestler earns the title Dingba. Moving on, we have Diopara, master of authority, first son or elder. Opara has a similar root with Mpara, meaning staff of authority. In Igbo culture, seniority is highly respected and the title Diopara is given to the eldest son or senior men who hold positions of leadership. The word Di is a powerful and versatile term in the Igbo language. It is not limited to just marriage but extends to various aspects of leadership, skill, and mastery. Understanding its true meaning gives us a deeper appreciation of Igbo culture and heritage. In a modern world where indigenous languages are gradually becoming diluted, it is important to preserve and educate ourselves on the rich meanings behind our words. The word Di is a testament to the deep-rooted traditions and social structures that have guided the Igbo people for centuries. So next time you hear the word Di, remember it means more than just husband. It's a title of honor, mastery, and authority that spans various aspects of Igbo life and society. Okay, what other Igbo words do you think carry deep cultural meanings? Share your thoughts in the comments.